In question 7, the problem statement says that the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 by 2. Find the rational number. So the unknown is the original rational number, and both the numerator and the denominator are unknown, but we know that the denominator is greater than the numerator by 8. So let's make use of this fact. So let's start by assuming that the numerator of the original rational number is x, and this means that the denominator of this rational number will be 8 more than x, or the denominator will be x plus 8, and hence this means that the original rational number will be x divided by x plus 8. Alright, now we are told that if the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, so the new numerator, which we get by increasing the original numerator x by 17, so the new numerator will be x plus 17, and the new denominator will be the original denominator, which is x plus 8, and you subtract 1 from it, so x plus 8 minus 1, so x plus 7. So this will be the new denominator, and hence the new rational number will be x plus 17 divided by x plus 7. And what we are told is that the new rational number is 3 by 2. So this is how we get an equation in x. So the new rational number x plus 17 by x plus 7, this must be equal to 3 by 2, and so we have an equation in x. Now we can solve it easily and find the value of x. So to solve this equation, let's cross multiply the denominators. So 2 with x plus 17 and x plus 7 with 3. Alright, so on the left side we get x plus 17 into 2, and on the right side we get 3 into x plus 7. So let's expand the products. On the left side we get x times 2, so that's 2x, and we get 17 into 2, that's 34, and on the right side we have 3 into x, so that's 3x, and we also have 3 into 7, so that's 21. Now let's take the variable terms together. So let's transpose this 2x term to the right side, so it becomes minus 2x, and let's transpose this 21 to the left side, so it becomes minus 21. So on the left side we will get 34 and then minus 21, and on the right side we will get 3x and then minus 2x. Alright, so now finally this gives us 3x minus 2x, that's x. So let me write it on the left side, and on the other side we have 34 minus 21, that is equal to 13. So the original numerator x is 13 and the original denominator x plus 8 is 21, and this means that the original rational number x by x plus 8 is actually equal to 13 by 21. And we can see that this answer is correct. If we increase 13 by this number 17, this will become 30, and if we decrease 21, the denominator, by 1, this will become 20. So we will get 30 by 20, which is actually equal to 3 by 2 in the lowest form. So the answer of this question is that the rational number that we wanted to find is 13 by 21, and this completes question 7.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.